thank you for joining Pepperjam Network Publisher Demo. For our new publishers on the network, welcome to Pepperjam. My name is Alexa Danko, and today I will be walking you through the publisher interface and dive into how we use our tools and reports to help you successfully manage your publisher account here on Pepperjam Network. In today's demo, we are going to go through how to navigate and use the home page, how to contact us, how to search and apply to advertiser programs, how to search and pull advertiser creatives, and how to use the publisher's tools for optimization. We will also discuss reporting to track your commissions and how to analyze reporting to gauge your performance on the network. We will show you how to navigate to the Knowledge Center that has a thorough section for any questions you have regarding the network and the publisher interface. Now let's take a look at the dashboard. After logging in at pepperjamnetwork.com, using the email and password you used to sign up on our publisher registration form, you will be automatically sent to your publisher interface dashboard. The dashboard provides quick insight into program, as well as important updates which will help enhance your program and save you time. Most important to you as a publisher is generating commissions. You can see them in the Commissions at a Glance section on the right-hand side of your screen. This is an overview of the commission you have earned within a certain time frame. You will also notice a list of statuses next to the total commissions box. Let's discuss what each of these mean. Paid commissions. These are the commissions that have been paid out to you. Unpaid commissions. This is the total of commissions that have not yet been paid. Pending commissions. These are the value of commissions that are currently pending and will remain pending until the end of the advertiser's locking period. Commissions go into pending in case an advertiser must adjust transactions due to returns, partial returns, or even fraud. Once the locking period is over, the commissions will enter the locked commission status and eventually be moved to paid. Locking period is the amount of time in which a transaction is eligible to be corrected or reversed by the advertiser before a payout for the transaction is dispersed. Locked. Locked commissions are commissions that are no longer able to be corrected. Once locked, these commissions will eventually be paid out. And finally, delayed. Delayed commission occurs when there is a problem with payment, such as the advertiser does not have enough funds to make the payment at a given time. Now we're going to look at the notifications section on the dashboard. On the left-hand side of the screen, you will see the notifications box. The notifications section provides information and updates related to advertisers, your specific program, as well as any updates on the network. Now let's take a look at some of the different things you could find within this section. Offer alerts. These are invitations sent from our advertisers. To view their offers, you can click on the hyperlinked offer alert and accept or decline any offers that you may or may not be interested in. You will also be able to access these offers by going to the advertiser invite section in the left navigation, which we will discuss a little later. There is also pending any term changes. This notification alerts a publisher of any commission changes in an advertiser's program. You can review and accept changes an advertiser has made to their program terms, such as updated commission rate. Please keep in mind that if you do not log in and accept these changes, they will update automatically within 7 days. There's also reminders. Reminders include information and useful tools we would like to prompt you on, such as making sure you've submitted your W-9 form or useful decks on how to use some of our tools. There's also new offers. Our monthly advertiser newsletter is hosted in your publisher account. The newsletter includes upcoming offers and promotions from our advertisers. Offers are organized by vertical, making it easy to find the best offers for your particular site or publication. New offers are updated on the 1st and 15th of every month. Beneath the notifications section, you will also see recently launched programs. When a program launches on our network, this section of the interface will be updated. Check often as this section is updated regularly and includes important information about the program, such as commission rate, cookie duration, locking period, mobile enabled, advertiser's website, and program details. Moving on from the notification section, you will see a few different areas that provide valuable quick glances into the performance of your publisher's account. Right here is the earnings report. This will show you a graph of your transaction details report. The transaction details report is used to provide information on a specific transaction. We will dive deeper into the transaction details report and other reporting later in this webinar. You can also see top performers. This report shows a graph of the transaction summary report. The transaction summary report is used to review a summary of transactions with each program you have partnered with. You will also be able to see what advertisers are top performers within your account. Now that we've taken a look at the Pepperjam Publisher dashboard, let's move on to the left navigation of the interface. In the left navigation of the interface, you will see the Advertisers tab, as well as the Creatives tab, Tools tab, Reports tab, Resources tab, and Settings tab. First, we're going to take a look at the Advertisers tab. The Advertisers tab is where you will manage your advertiser relationships. You will be able to find new advertisers, review advertisers that have pushed you an offer, see which programs you have applied to join and are still awaiting approval, and submit transaction inquiries. My Advertisers. The My Advertisers tab shows which advertisers you are currently partnered with. Here you will get a quick snapshot of their commission rate, cookie duration, tracking type, program details, as well as the category in which they fall into. You will also be able to see the date they joined, and you'll be able to quickly access their creatives. To download a spreadsheet of your advertisers, you can click the Download CSV icon in the right-hand corner. You are also able to sort your advertisers by program name, CPA, revenue share, join date, or cookie duration. Now we're going to look at Find New Advertisers. The Find New Advertisers tab allows you to search for new advertisers to start a partnership with. While searching for new advertisers, you have the option to use a variety of filters found on the left-hand side of the page. In this section, you can filter your search by category, offer type, term status, whether mobile tracking is enabled or disabled, currency, country, program ID, or whether or not they are a premier advertiser. Premier advertisers are advertisers who not only perform well on the network, but are also responsive and engaged within their programs. Next, we're going to look at My Applications. In this section, you are able to review all programs you are currently applied to. The duration of time for the application process varies per advertiser. Once the advertiser logs into their Pepperjam account, they will review all pending applications. If an advertiser declines your application, you are unable to reapply to this program. You can reach out to the contact information provided within the program details for more information on denied applications. Now we're going to look at advertiser invites. Advertiser invites allow you to review all the programs you may have sent out an invitation to join their program. Here you are able to choose whether or not to accept or decline the advertiser's invite, which is located on the right-hand side of the screen. Finally, we're going to take a look at the Transaction Inquiries tab. If you notice you have not received credit for a referred sale, you are able to submit a transaction inquiry in this section. These inquiries request credit for a transaction that was made and happens most often with loyalty publishers, as loyalty shoppers are promised cash back for their purchases made through these loyalty publisher sites. This section will automatically direct you to the View Inquiries tab. On the left, you can narrow your search by advertiser name or by selecting status, which will either be pending, accepted, or rejected. You can also enter in the date, which would be request date, resolve date, or order date. You may also filter the results by entering the order ID or the SID. After those steps have been completed, you can hit the filter button. There is also the capability of downloading these inquiries in a CSV file by clicking on the Download Inquiries button located in the right top-hand corner. To add an inquiry, select the Add New Inquiry tab. You will fill out these required fields of advertiser, order ID, order date, sale amount, and any inquiry notes. Although the SID is optional, you should supply it if you want it associated with this transaction. You can also upload inquiries by clicking on the Upload and Query tab. After an inquiry is submitted correctly, the advertiser will receive a notification on their dashboard where they will either accept or decline it. The next section that we are going to cover is the Creative section. Creatives are tools that are used to promote an advertiser's program. In the Creatives tab, you will find a variety of different options which will vary by advertiser. In this specific section, you'll be able to view the creatives of any advertiser who you are joined with. To narrow your search of creatives, you can narrow it by advertiser, category, promotion type, date, deep linking, creative ID, and keywords. First, we're going to look at generic. The generic link is the URL for the homepage of an advertiser's website. It is available to publishers at any time and does not expire. The generic link is one of the most frequently used creatives within a merchant's affiliate program, and thus a significant portion of the program's revenue and traffic activity may be tied to this specific creative. To add the generic link to your site, you will simply need to copy and paste this provided code. Next, we're going to look at text. Text links are text hyperlinks displayed to program for publisher use. These text links may include a brand name, new product lines, offers such as free shipping, coupons, % off discounts, and much more. Text links are shown within the creative offer, start and end date, advertiser name, promotion type, such as sale, coupons, daily deal, and get code buttons. To copy and paste this code onto your site, you will just click on Get Code on the right-hand side of the screen. Next, we're going to look at banners. Banners are a visual way to display a brand's product lines, offers, or discounts. Banners are shown with their image, creative offer, start and end date, size, advertiser, promotion type, as well as a Get Code button. After that, we're going to look at coupons. Coupons are promotions or value propositions that can include a promotional code for consumers to enter into their shopping cart checkout for a discount on their purchase. Coupons are shown with their Get Coupon, tracking URL, creative offer, start and end date, advertiser promotion type, and the Get Code button. After that, we're going to look at advanced links. Advanced links can include flash banners, widgets, search boxes, or video. Advanced links are most commonly used in email promotions. And lastly, we're going to look at products. Advertisers who have a product feed will display in this section. Product feeds are essentially a catalog of the products on an advertiser's website. You can filter product feeds by advertiser, category, status, and keywords. To add a specific product, all you will need to do is hover over the product and click Get Code to copy and paste this onto your site. The Tools tab includes a variety of promotional tools to help you best optimize your advertiser partnerships. Pepperjam Link Generator. You can create a deep link for any advertiser you are joined with by using the Pepperjam Link Generator. A deep link is a hypertext link to a page on a website other than its home page. It's been shown that difficulties getting from a home page to a specific product is responsible for a quarter of failures in getting a visitor to purchase a product. By deep linking to a specific product, you can eliminate any frustrations with navigating through an advertiser's website. To install, all you have to do is drag the link generator to your bookmark bar on your web browser, like so. To generate a deep link, simply visit the specific page or product on the advertiser's site and click on the Pepperjam Link Generator icon in your bookmark bar. This will then produce a deep link to that specific product or page. You can view a list of the advertiser domains that are supported by Pepperjam Link Generator by clicking on the View All Supported Domains hyperlink located in Step 2. You can also create a deep link using the Code Options method. To create a deep link using the Code Options, go to the Creatives tab, select the generic, and click on Code Options. Then you can copy and paste the URL of the product or page you would like to link into the Override Destination URL field and click Apply Options. You can then copy and paste the tracking URL generated below onto your site. Please note that not all advertisers support deep linking. Next, we're going to look at Content Curator. The Content Curator allows you to monetize your Instagram or blog by adding product links to your images. To join the Content Curator, go to the Tools tab on the interface, select Content Curator, and then select Sign Up. You can register now on this page that it has directed you to. Next, we're going to look at Placement Marketplace. The marketplace is where publishers can upload paid placements when they are available for either purchase or a commission increase. Advertisers can review the placements available from their joint publishers and request the purchase of the placement from the publishers. Placements can be seen by advertisers with whom have an existing relationship. After reviewing the available placements, there is a button for advertisers to request placement. Once they click on that button, a notification is sent to you that the placement has been requested by an advertiser. Upon receipt of notification, you can either accept or decline the request. An advertiser will receive an email notifying them whether you've accepted or declined this placement. All users and sub-users will receive email notification of the requested placement. On this page, you can add a new placement or you can upload your own placements. You can also manage requests by clicking on the top tab. Next, we're going to look at Pay Per Call, a form of affiliate marketing where the advertiser pays publishers who refer customers to their call center, and this can be customized to pay for leads based on several conditions, including call time, in-call actions, call location, and more. With Pay Per Call, a unique phone number is assigned to each individual publisher, and the phone number itself will be used to track. Lastly, we are going to look at Store Builder. The Store Builder allows you to select the advertiser or advertiser's feeds and/or product categories you'd like to display in a dynamic storefront. To build your storefront, you will first need to choose an advertiser, advertiser feed, or product category which you would like to display. The Select Program section is where you will see all of the advertiser feeds that display the amount of products available in that specific program. Once you've selected a specific advertiser or category, you can scroll down to see a live view of your selections. If you wish to refine your results to a specific product or grouping of products, you can do so by going to the Additional Filter section located above the live demo box. Here you have the option to enter in a keyword or specific product that you are looking for. You can click the Update button, and then this will appear in your live view. In this section, you also have the option to choose the amount of products you wish to have displayed per page. The next step is to customize your storefront with colors that match your website. As you change the colors, you will see what your updated view will look like in the live demo box. On the right-hand side, you can see the customization box. Here you can change the background color, the border color, the text color, the title color, and things along those lines. For instance, if I wanted to change the product title color, I can select Choose and then customize my color. I can also change the product background color to whatever I think best suits my website. If I like the changes that I've made, I can go ahead and click Update and then they will save. If I don't, I can reset default and it will go back to the original way. After your selections are complete, you simply need to copy the code from the Store Code section and insert it into your website. Your storefront will automatically resize to fit the look and feel of your website. Now we're going to look at reports. There are many reports that will help you better understand your program's successes and deficiencies. Let's take a dive into the different reports you will see within this tab. First is the Performance Report. The Performance Report, which includes both an overall performance report as well as an advertiser performance report, is used to track your overall performance on the network by date. The Overall Performance Report allows you to compare current performance with previous performance and lists the date, impressions, clicks, revenue, commission, transaction, conversion rate, and EPC. The advertiser performance report shows all transactions made and changes to transactions within your selected time frame. With this report, you can also view data by an individual performance. As mentioned here, you choose your program, the website tracking, as well as grouping by program or date, or you can select a custom range date. Next, we're going to look at transaction history report. This report is used to show transactions generated for your publisher account. The transaction history summary report shows a summary view of all the transactions made and changes to transactions within your selected time frame. The transaction history report shows transactions generated during a specific time frame and shows any changes made to those transactions, for example, if a transaction was reversed, returned, or canceled. Next is the transactions details report. This report shows the details and statuses of all transactions made within a specific time period. The itemized transaction details report provides details related to a specific item within a transaction. If you are partnered with any advertiser on a cost per click basis, you are able to pull a cost per click transaction details report. This report is used to find specific details about cost per click transactions. And lastly is the corrections transaction report. This report is used to review any reversals or corrections made to a transaction by an advertiser. Next, we're going to look at creatives. The creatives report is used to see how your advertisers' creatives are performing. The creative performance report is used to see how many impressions, clicks, and transactions were made for your creatives that you might have placed on your site. The report is useful to see which types of creatives are performing the best for your advertisers, which will help you best optimize for performance and conversions. The invalid link report is used to identify any invalid links currently placed on your site. Next is the advertiser payments report. The advertiser payments report displays information regarding commissions, payments from the Pepperjam network, as well as currency conversions. The commission summary report shows unconfirmed, delayed, and paid commissions. The payment summary report is used to find general information about each payment you've received from Pepperjam network. The report lists the program, payment date, transaction type, and commission for each payment. Payments are issued around the 1st and 15th of each month. Please note that it is important to keep a valid PayPal email on file, as this can delay payments owed to you. The payment history report is used to find information about previous payments and see information about the transactions within those payments. This report lists the payment ID, description, method notes, payment fee type, date, amount, and currency. The currency conversion report shows current rate of currency against the US dollar. This tab is updated daily. Next is the Attribution tab. The Attribution report shows data related to advertisers who are using our new exclusive code, in-cart, and preferred publisher technology. These new attribution tools are designed to help advertisers and publishers build a better relationship and ensure the advertiser receives more of the traffic they deserve, while rewarding the publishers that help them receive that traffic. After that is the demand report. This report allows publishers to see a summary of transactions in real time for advertisers that batch their transactions into our network. Please note, demand reporting is only available with advertisers that have this visibility enabled. And lastly is saved reports. The overall performance report allows you to save a copy of the report based on your chosen filters, date range, etc. And this will save this in the interface for you to use as a reference. As you can see, we have a saved report from 4/1/14 to 4/18/14. And this just goes to show you an overall performance report. Next is the Resources tab. Pepperjam wants our publishers to see high levels of success. By using our various resources, You can learn and review valuable information and educational tools to help your program succeed. The Pepperjam Knowledge Center includes valuable education material, FAQs, how-to videos, best practices, Pepperjam company news, and even a copy of this webinar for your future reference. API stands for Application Program Interface. It is a set of routines, protocols, and tools for building software applications. Utilizing Pepperjam Network's API will allow you to systematically pull data from all available reports in the publisher interface to review and store in your own internal systems. In this section of the developer kit, you'll be able to generate your API key. This key is unique to your publisher account and is needed to create your API call. Once you've generated your API key, you are ready to start creating your API call. You can get more information on setting up an API call under the API Documentation tab within the Developer Kit. The last thing we need to talk about is the Settings tab. The Settings tab is where you will find the options to update your profile, as well as manage or create any sub-users in your account. Under the Profile settings, you will see information about your company, as well as have the option to select promotional methods. It is important to pay close attention to the options you select. Some advertisers may not work with publishers who have certain promotional methods, like toolbar or incentive publishers. Be sure to not check any method in error. You can also manage sub-users. Under this section, you are able to add any sub-users you would like to have on the account. You are also able to dictate which type of role and permission they have when in the account. Some options include reporting only access, creative only, billing, etc. To create a sub-user, you simply just need to click on Add Sub-User. From here, you will enter in the required information and hit Submit. Pepperjam Publisher support is always just a click away. To start a new communication with an account rep for any questions that you may have, just click on the customer support link here at the top of the dashboard. This will take you to a customer support ticket. You will put in your topic, the summary, description, and you will submit the ticket with any questions or concerns you may have. You can also find your publisher ID number at the top of the dashboard. This will help you whenever you need a reference when contacting a Pepperjam customer care rep. You can also click on that publisher ID number to access your profile information and update and edit the information when necessary. The MTD will provide you with your month-to-date commissions that were earned during that month and drill that into reporting by clicking on the dollar amount. We hope this was a helpful demonstration on how to navigate through your Pepperjam Publisher account interface. Don't forget to browse our Knowledge Center, check out our FAQs, how-to videos, and other helpful resources. You can also contact publisher-support at pepperjamnetwork.com at any time to get support from one of our customer care representatives. Have a great day, and thank you for watching.